Waterfront properties offer their own special brand of curb appeal. That's why you need a marine contractor who specializes in durable seawalls, beautiful docks, and dependable boat lifts. Meet the experts, Speeler Companies. Lights, camera, action.
We at Speeler Companies, we specialize in building docks and seawalls, and we do some underpinning, which is fixing sinkhole houses. We'll do a small job, we'll do a large job, we'll replace a deck board, we'll replace a piling, or we'll custom build a dock. And the one that's here is a custom built dock. It's all custom framing from wear deck and decks and docks. And it's also eco piling, which are fiberglass or composite piling. We specialize on catering to the public, to the homeowners that live on the water, and we're fully licensed and fully insured. We have to have a marine specialty license to be able to do docks or seawalls. All the existing seawalls, they're all concrete. And when we do them today, we replace them, we put a vinyl wall in front of it, and we fill between the old wall and the new wall with solid concrete. And we put new tiebacks and a new concrete cap on them.
Speeler is located right here in Clearwater. They put a lot of thought into every project and can help improve the usefulness of your home.
Everybody that has a house on the water, they want to use their docks. All the seawalls in Pinellas County were built in the 50s, and they have a useful life of 50 years, so they've used their lifetime up.
Starting your marine construction process is exciting. Doug has some tips to share about what works best where. Let's start with your dock.
A, if you're a boat owner, you want a dock and a boat lift to keep your boat out of the water, to make it last. But B, if you're a homeowner that lives on the water, it adds value to your house and it gives you access to the waterway. A lot of people like to, if they're not boaters, but they live on the water, they'll still go out there and watch the sunset or watch the dolphins.
Composite decking like this is also made with the environment in mind.
We do a lot of different stuff with composite piling. We use all composite decking, and we do a lot of picture framing, which the decking will go one way and then we'll use a different color to outline it, almost like a picture frame. In Pinellas County, there's a real bad worm problem that just came about 3 years ago. And that's why we're these eco piling that we're going to show you. They're a composite piling. The end result is old docks usually have a sag. Our docks don't sag after a few years like most do. And it just gives it a more structural feeling. Trying to get away from the wood and use composite and fiberglass structures. Wood anymore, they grow the trees so fast that the wood decking only lasts about 5 to 7 years. The composite decking will last 20 years. And it's actually made from recycled milk crates, a lot of it.
And check out this boat lift. They're manufactured right here in Florida.
Neptune boat lifts, I feel, is the best lift on the market. They're all the steel and aluminum, it's all American made. We've never had a problem with it. Their motors, it's the fastest lift on the market also, which means a lot to the average homeowner. If you're gonna leave a boat in the water, you have to put what's called bottom paint on the bottom every couple years. And a boat lift prolongs the life of a boat, and it gives the homeowner better access because you can raise or lower the boat for ease of entry on the boat.
For more information about Speeler Companies, visit Speeler.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.